Start the week with our quick business tips and advice. Today we are looking at different types of blogs you could make money from. Finance blog. If you're good with finances, this is one of the types of blogs that make money that'll suit you. Providing financial advice to a wide range of audiences, including students, people looking to pay off debt, parents, and individuals with extra cash who want to spend or invest it wisely. Not only can you make money by displaying advertisements, but the items in this niche are also very valuable. Blogging in this niche may take many forms, but the most frequent subjects discussed are side hustles, working from home, passive income, investing money, debt management, saving money, budgeting. If you're interested in these topics and have some expertise, it may be time to start a finance blog. More tips and advice every Monday. Have a good business week.